Hi, today we're gonna talk about what we face every day when we go to troubleshoot some security cameras. Here in South Florida, nothing much we can do with salt, and it ends up with corrosion. Corrosion in the connectors, power connectors, and video connectors. First step that we always do, we try to tell the clients to clean the lens. Sometimes the lens, when we have storms, after we clean it, the camera always try to get focus, and some cameras have an out of focus. So if it's dirty, the camera always try to get the best image. And the system try to get the best image, but sometimes the camera can get it because it's dirty. So first step will be to clean the camera, clean the lens. That will fix some of the problems. Another of the problem it will be the connectors, power connectors, video connectors. Second step will be try to change the connectors, call your camera guys and try to see if that's a problem. Sometimes you just need to change the connector, not to change the whole system. With service, we change the connectors, and eventually if the problem is the camera, if you need to change the camera, then we'll advise you to change the camera. If it was a stormy day, sometimes we get the power outages. So it can be the power supply. We troubleshoot the power supply for the cameras, it can be the power supply for the DVR. If it doesn't resolve that, then we change the power supply. And eventually, if that last step doesn't fix the problem, then we will have to change the power supply for the DVR or eventually the DVR. Just call someone that you can trust. Just call someone that is honest, that has been in the business. We've been in the business for many years. If you have any questions, we have a free site survey. Just call us, send us an email, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.